Great. Voila. Welcome to the vlog.
Oh boy, so brave you made that.
We've been little cleaning machines today. I couldn't have done it without you, Lou.
Busy.
She like vacuumed the whole house. We washed like every sheet and towel, remade all the beds, cleaned literally everything. And Lucy's such a sweetie angel. She made her famous brown butter chocolate chip cookies.
They're so good.
Where did you find this recipe?
I think I found some on TikTok, honestly.
Really?
I think I might have like combined two.
And
but they're so good.
she's such a sweetie because it's Max's mom's birthday and she made them for her.
Yeah.
She remembered that she loved
Butter
them.
some flowers.
So nice. You said you made them on Christmas?
I think, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's when she first had them. Look how good these look.
Yeah.
Okay, can we eat one of them out of her
Should we
batch?
take the janky one?
Yeah. Oh, I hit another one. Let's give it a try.
Yeah, Gretchen helped brown the butter. So now you know how to brown butter for it.
So I put the
Yummy.
recipe in the description for them.
Yeah, it's so good. I think, yeah, we made like the double batch.
There's chocolate under my fingernails.
I know. There's chocolate chips on the bottom.
Ignore the fact I wore the same shirt in the last vlog, but I'm about to get changed for her birthday dinner, so a better outfit.
Yeah.
Yum! Wow. Look at how the chocolate's going everywhere.
We use dark chocolate chips and semi-sweet.
Really?
Yeah, I use the rest of the dark ones you have. I like using like combo.
Wow.
I feel like it makes it better. I used to like cut up like a
Me
Hershey
too.
bar and like put it at the top. But I like
These are better than I remember. Bodhi, Lucy's leaving us.
I am.
She said
Bathing
she's done all her
suit,
random
face
things.
wash, some extra cookie dough.
What am I gonna do without you?
I don't know. It was a fun long weekend. Another one. I can't believe it's
You
August.
live with me full time. I know.
It's past midway of August.
Ooh.
That's perfect. But it should be sunny the rest of the week, so
Yeah. I love you.
love you too.
See you soon.
You'll have to play pickle tomorrow.
I know. Okay, Lucy just left. But Lucy appreciation post. Appreciation thought that I'm having right now. Having a twin sister is like so special. Love you, Lou, when you see this. And we share a brain. I just feel like she gets exactly, and she knows me so well. She's like, okay, I know you're like easily overwhelmed. And so she's like running around helping me clean before we have Max's sister and boyfriend come. And obviously like I always like get crazy when people come to visit and we have guests, you know, every single week. So I need to not, and like no one cares, you know? They're not like running their fingers on the baseboards. I think that's a common thing that people freak out before people come. But like you just want, I think I heard this once and it stuck with me. You just want people, like, okay, you want your place to be such that when people come, they can tell that you've like made an effort for them, even if you just light a candle, even if you just have time to do that. Or like clear off the counter, wipe down the counter, something like that. I don't know, I just feel like I notice so much, like whenever I go anywhere, I just feel like it's so clean and tidy and I want my guests to always have like a great experience, you know what I mean? Anyway, just, yeah. What I'm saying is I'm really appreciating Lucy right now because I felt like there was two of me this morning. I'm like, damn, that took half the amount of time with both of us cleaning and making beds and vacuuming and wiping down the counters. And she also got Max's mom flowers for her birthday and made her favorite cookies. I'm like, oh, I do not deserve Lucy, sweetie pie. Now this is perfect timing because I actually just got my Princess Polly package in the mail and I need to pick out my outfit and finish getting ready for Max's mom's birthday dinner. I'm so happy I did my makeup earlier and just like got it out the way because normally I feel like I'm rushing to do my makeup last minute. So did that. I'll probably like put a little bit of curl in my hair. Yeah, this is not the birthday dinner outfit, so we're gonna try on all my options, see what I go with. Also, I just feel like this is the best lighting down here, and it's funny because I never film down here because it's never clean enough, but this is the one time it is, so here we go. Okay, I love that Brody is gonna watch with you guys. First up, we've got this white set. Like I was seeing it everywhere. It's so dang cute. Thank you so much, Princess Polly, by the way, for sponsoring this video. I love their clothes for years and years and years now. Their pieces are so cute. They always have the best new styles. So yes. And before I forget to mention, I know my promo code Gretchen20 will work for 20% off. So don't forget code Gretchen20 for 20% off Princess Polly. Like I said, first up we've got this white set. I just loved everything about it. I saw it on Instagram, I saw it on their website, and it's oversized. It's like this vest top, but I've never seen a top just like this, very flowy halter, and I just thought it was like so chic and cute. And these are like low rise, oversized white jeans that go with, and this is just giving chic, comfy, end of summer. Yeah, I don't know if this is good for like a birthday dinner per se, but I'm loving. Sorry, I'm looking over here. Oh, this is so cute how it ties in the back. The tan, yeah. Oh, and I'll have everything linked down below in the description, by the way, so you guys can twin me if you want. Okay, then we've got this pink tube top, which I actually have in yellow and white little stripes, and I always get so many compliments on it. It's so cute. I'm always reaching for it, and when I saw there was like a hot pink version, I'm like, yeah, you're coming home with me. How cute, the white jeans. Love. I also need to mention that Princess Polly will ship your order for free within the US on orders over $50, and Princess Polly also offers ShopPay and AfterPay to all their US customers. And that's the last little tidbit I need to mention, and as always, like I said, all these pieces will be linked down below in the description, and I can list the sizes I get in each if that helps. Okay, I think we may have just found the outfit. What do you think, Brody? Is this looking good for birthday dinner? When I said his name, you wagged his tail. You're so sweet, pumpkin. This is honestly like blowing my expectations out of the water because this is exactly what I had envisioned for this outfit, and it's even cuter and even better in person. And let me tell you, you guys, I have been looking for this style of white vest top, like a linen one just like this, and I have not found the perfect one. This is it. Not found the perfect one until now. Also, these vest style tops I always think are so cute. I'm so drawn to them. They never fit me right. I feel like this button will be tight, this one will be loose, like, and then uncomfortable. This one fits me like a glove. This one fits me perfect. I love it so much. I love the like high neck and then it splits like this. So flattering, so cute. And then it's perfect with like a high-waisted maxi skirt like this. I've been loving midi and maxi skirts. I loved this floral printed one. Yeah, I think we just found birthday dinner fit. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, how cute is this red set? Princess Polly is killing it right now. These are literally the cutest pieces. It's like a little linen red set. I love that this is like oversized, ties in the front, little red shorts. I'm actually about to go on vacation with Max somewhere top secret I haven't even shared yet, but it's like warm weather beach, and this is gonna be so perfect. I can't wait to style this comfy during the day with some sandals, even over a bathing suit. So cute. Okay, this might be my most favorite stuff I've ever gotten from Princess Polly. As we can tell, I'm loving the tie front tops. This white long sleeve one I've had my eye on for so long. I think it's so adorable. Again, love it's oversized, and I kind of love it with the little red boxer shorts because I feel like you wouldn't normally put them together. Like it's a little more casual with like a little more fancy chic blouse, and then you could like dress it down with some sneakers, socks. This is so adorable, and I love these red shorts. I cannot get enough of these boxer shorts this summer. Okay, then this graphic tee I just thought was so fun. I've been in my dirty martini era, suddenly realizing that I actually really like them. How cute is this? Just oversized little martini tea. Okay, then last but certainly not least, if you guys remember, I actually got this navy blue dress from Princess Polly a little bit ago, and this style went so viral because it's so flattering and slimming. It really goes in at the waist, flares out, and the one I had in my normal US 6 was just so snug at the waist. I was like, whew. And so I believe it runs a little bit small. That's good for you to know. So if you feel like your size is usually a little roomy at the waist, you might be good. Whoops, my battery died. Okay, I was saying, for me, I feel like my waist doesn't go in that much. If anything, my US 6 is usually pretty snug on my waist as is. Anyway, my sister goes in at the waist more, so it fit her like a glove, and I gave her my 6, and I went up a size to an 8. So this size 8 fits me just a lot more comfortable. I feel like I can breathe, sit in it. Yeah, so love this style dress. I believe they have a couple other colors in it as well. I just love the navy. And yes, again, I'll have everything linked down below in the description. And don't forget, you can use my code Gretchen20 for 20% off. My outfit back on, and now we're just gonna do a little zhuzh with the air wrap. I haven't really styled my hair with the air wrap since I've gotten extension. Okay, well, I have once, and then I immediately went to the beach after and it all came out. So I want to see how it actually stays in my hair when it doesn't get blown out by the wind like 2 seconds later. We're gonna do some heat protection. I know it's supposed to be on. This is just the heat protection that my hairdresser gave me. And this hairbrush too, actually. She gave me this as well. I believe the air wrap is best on like when your hair is a little bit damp at the ends. Honestly, I don't feel like I noticed a difference. Well, I just feel like no matter what, it doesn't really stay in my hair that well. We're gonna try our darndest. And I feel like it'll be really tight at first, but then it will fall out, but hopefully it'll still be there a little bit and still look good. Okay, here we go. Okay, once I'm done, I'm just gonna let this sit like this and not like pull it out or anything because it's gonna drop a lot. I'm gonna do the other side quick and I'll see you after. Okay, also very tight curls over here, but maybe this is why they're not staying too, but like they're so tight at first. I like them to be more like this, just, you know, like that. And it'll still fall out a bunch more and be like a looser blowout. I also feel like it depends on the day. Like maybe these type of curls will stay because I feel like I have some product in my hair. It's like I didn't wash it yesterday, but the day before, have some dry shampoo in it. I feel like that kind of gives it some texture to hold a little more. But this is what it's looking like. Looking good. Looking like a big bouncy blowout. We will see how this lasts. Okay, already packed up a gift. Got my shoes right here. Road dog. Hair still going strong. Falling out, but still cute. And, oh, gotta blow out that candle. And then I'm off. It's crazy how getting ready early is so nice and less stressful. And I have more time and I should do this more often. Back from dinner. Vlogging on my phone since my camera's downstairs. I need to clean this mirror. It is so dirty. But I like spit toothpaste on my mirror. I don't know. It's so bad. Anyway, I wanted to show my people the air wrap aftermath hours later. What?
Do you bang your toothbrush?
I do. I do.
It splatters every time.
You're right.
So I shake and then I use my, I don't know if that's gross or not.
No, that's smart. I should do that.
Because every time I bang it on the side,
it splatters all over the mirror.
Every time.
There you have it. I'm gonna try that. But yeah, why does my hair not stay in the air? It's okay if it falls out a little, but this looks like a very like loose blowout. And it was so curly before. It just doesn't stay as well as a curling iron. I feel like my hair just does better with the curling iron. Because the air wrap I feel like isn't as much heat. Anyway, that's my review. The next morning, and last I filmed was before going to your mommy's bday dinner. And of course I didn't like film anything there. Oh, I can insert some pictures we took. It was a really pretty sunset. So that was lovely. And I should have whipped out my camera doing Chase's bar class this morning. That was good. I just love rolling out of bed getting into it, but I was
Doing it in your PJs.
yeah, a lovely start to the morning, and then don't worry, I changed into my athletic clothes after I started my beauties. Now we're at one of my most favorite places,
Pickleball court.
And Max and I are meeting up with some friends with pickleball. I'm so excited. It's hard to get to the courts and miss the leagues because the sign on the court says noon, but online it said 11. But it's almost
noon.
So hopefully we can get in there. Yeah. It's becoming too popular. It's hard to find like open courts. But it's gonna be so much fun. Of course, got no good videos, but that was fun. Nothing makes you more tired. Guys, this was my redemption tour today because I was like really down in the dumps the other day when I lost every single game. And when I get frustrated, I play even worse. And I'm just like,
yeah, you mope out there.
Yeah, I get so mad at myself. And I lost every game. I couldn't win with nobody. I was playing so bad. And I was just pissed. And today, I went undefeated.
Yeah, you beat me at the end.
I beat Max at the end.
And we were up, too. We were killing you.
I know. I was like, yeah, I think you guys had Pickle Point. And I was like,
yeah, we did.
Heck no. And then we came back. That was crazy. My strategy was to hit it to not Max. The other person he's playing with. Because Max is really good. And like powerful, and it comes back quick. So yeah, my strategy is just keep it away from him. And it worked. And then Max, like actually at the very beginning we played with two older ladies, and now I know you can't underestimate them. They're so good.
Oh, they are good.
Older ladies are like quick, strong, skilled, and they hit it so low and fast, like at your ankles, and it's so hard to hit it back. So they beat us. And then Max, because there was 5 of us with our group, so then Max was sitting out and ended up going and playing with 3 other guys. And was that like you could really let it rip because they were like skilled like you. Because I feel bad when he plays with me, he's like half-assing it because you can't really go. But were you playing like as hard as you could with those guys? You were giving it to them.
Yeah.
My goal is to get good. I need lessons. I need a league. Practice makes perfect. So I'll be out there every day. Yeah. Lucy and I had so much fun the other day with the group we met. Like, I just love pickle. And it's so social. Like you just like see random people out there and you're like, hey, want to play together? And then you can like chat and it's like so fun. Anyway, I love pickleball. This is your sign. If you haven't ever played, go play. Like literally anyone can play.
Yeah.
Even if you don't have fast reflexes and are not that good at hand-eye coordination like moi, you can still play because it's like slower than tennis.
Yeah.
It's just, I feel like it's good for everyone. Highly recommend. Reason 1000 why I love Lucy. I'm like hot and sweaty after pickleball and hungry. And she got this fresh watermelon yesterday. She cut up and put in the fridge and it's like cold and juicy and just hitting the spot. I'm so happy right now. Oh, it's a beautiful sunny day. I want to get my bikini on and go like take a nap in the sun because I barely slept last night. I've been so bad at sleeping. Sounds funny to say, but then I think my issues, it's like mental. Like I tell myself I'm a bad sleeper, so then I sleep poorly and keep waking up and can't fall asleep and whatever. And so I would love to go nap in the sun in my bikini for a little bit. It's my plan. My apologies. It's the next day. I'm sorry if this is a shorter vlog, but I've got to start off the next one prepping and packing for a little trip. So I do feel like I yapped a bit. Whenever I'm like, oh, is this really short? I talked for a while and then it wasn't even that short at all. But you guys saw the cutest new clothes I got. I'm so excited. I'm gonna pack a bunch for a little vacay. And Max's mom's birthday dinner was so much fun. Pickleball was so much fun. I'm obsessed. I want to play like all hours of the day. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this little vlog. Get excited for the next one. Pack, prep, nail appointment for vacay. And get excited for the vacay vlogs. They're gonna be so good. I can't wait for you guys to see. Oh, hi, Brody, where we're going. I don't think I've said yet, but you'll probably see by the time this video is up. Okay, I love you. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.